Now, dear student, I am going to start your last topic, political division. Political divisions. Political division means what? Our country politically divided into so many states, which are so here in different color. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. By this way, whole country divide into so many states by which is known as the political division. We can say India is being a vast country. It means the area of our country is very vast. India have 7th rank in the case of area, 7th rank in the case of area all over the world. So due to more area of the country, for efficient management of law and order in the different states of India, in the different part of the country, I am not going to discuss about the different state. To adopt law and order, to maintain law and order in different part of the country, it is not possible to India form in a single unit. So that is why India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. It is clear? Union territories means Kendra Shasit Rajya. For example, the union territories are New Delhi, Chandigarh, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar. These are the few examples of Indian territory states. And normal states are, their number is 29. Among these all states, last 29 state is known as Telangana. Telangana is known as 29th states of India, which is also known as youngest state of India because newly formed. This state formed during the 2014 second day of June. The states of India have been organized mainly on the basis of language. Means different states organized, different states formed on the basis of language. For example, in Tamil Nadu, Tamil language are spoken by the local people. For example, in the case of Maharashtra, Marathi language is spoken by the Marathian people. In Odisha, Odia language is used by the local people. In West Bengal, Bengali language are used by the local people. In Assam, Asmi language used by the local people. In Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bhojpuri language used by the local people. By this way we can say these all states are organized mainly on the basis of languages. भाषा के आधार पे इन सभी राज्यों को बांटा गया है. If we follow the political map of India which are given here, then we can count the number of state and union territory and their capital also. We try to follow one by one. Towards the northern part, first one is the Jammu and Kashmir. It is clear? The name of the state is Jammu and Kashmir and capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Again in Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla. In Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun. In Punjab and Haryana, both states capital same, Chandigarh. In Union Territory, Delhi, capital New Delhi. In Rajasthan capital Jaipur. Gujarat capital Gandhinagar. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow. Bihar capital Patna. Jharkhand capital Ranchi. Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal. Chhattisgarh capital Raipur. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar. West Bengal capital Kolkata. Maharashtra capital Mumbai, Telangana capital Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh capital is the Karimnagar. Karnataka capital Bangalore. Tamil Nadu capital Chennai. Kerala capital Trivandrum. So these are the states of India and their capital. Dadar Nagar Haveli Union Territory, capital is Silvassa. Daman and Diu, capital is Daman. And here Pondicherry, which lies in the three states. In Andhra Pradesh, known as Yanam, name of the Pondicherry. Puducherry also say Yanam. In Tamil Nadu, one is the Puducherry, one is the Karaikal. Another lies in the Kerala part of the Puducherry, which is known as Mahe. It is clear? And the capital of Puducherry is Pondicherry. It is clear? Another Union Territory state is Lakshadweep, capital Kavaratti. Another is the Andaman Nicobar, capital Port Blair. In the case of northern part of the Indian states, Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. Nagaland, capital Kohima. Thereafter Manipur, capital Imphal. Thereafter Mizoram, capital Aizawl. Thereafter Tripura, capital Agartala. Another is Meghalaya, capital Shillong. And Assam, capital Dispur. These are the 7 states, which is also known as 7 sister states of India. 7 sister states of India. So by this way we can follow the different states of India on the political map of India. Some facts which are related with the India is very fast developing nation. India is not a developed country. India is डेवलपिंग नेशन मीन्स विकासशील देश है. विकास यहाँ पे हो रहा है, तेजी से हो रहा है. एंड द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया हैव देयर स्पिरिट ऑफ टॉलरेंस मीन्स सहिष्णुता का भाव है, भाईचारे का भाव है, ब्रदरहुड, भाईचारा, आपस में मिलजुल कर रहते हैं. एंड पार्टली इन क्लोज कैरेक्टर ऑफ इंडिया हैज हेल्प इन द स्ट्रेंथनिंग द यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी. इंडिया हैड डाइवर्सिटी इन द सेंस ऑफ लैंग्वेज, फूड हैबिट, ड्रेस, etc. But beside, despite of all these diversity, India also form unity in diversity. In the case of any international issue, India is the largest democracy of the world. Why India is known as the largest democracy of the world? Because the government of India elected directly by the peoples under the universal adult franchises, means व्यस्क मताधिकार के अधीन. Those people of India who are 18, either 18 above age group, they took part during the elections, they cast their vote and elect their government. That is why the government of India directly elected by people. So it's known as the largest democracy of the world. These are the few information regarding last topic, political divisions of India. Thank you.